Under federal law, there is something called the Lautenberg Amendment. The Lautenberg Amendment triggers a lifetime ban on gun rights for people who are convicted of certain misdemeanor crimes of domestic violence. And the problem is this, that where federal law and California law conflict, federal law trumps state law. So even if you wait out the 10-year period and you would otherwise be eligible to have gun rights in California, if the Lautenberg Amendment applies, then you still have this lifetime prohibition against having a firearm. The good news is that the Lautenberg Amendment does not apply to every domestic violence conviction. We lay all of this out in a detailed article on our website about domestic violence convictions and gun rights. We invite you to read the article for further information.